Today's project is to restain and finish a tabletop that had started to show signs of wear and tear. The first thing that we need is a paint stripper. I prefer the Watco brand, which is sold at Walmart for about $10. You may have seen this popular stripping gel called Citrus Strip on Amazon, but I don't recommend it. The Watco brand is cheaper and does a much better job. Next, we will need some disposable paintbrushes, plastic putty knives, fine-grade steel wool, some wood stain, and a finish of your choice. I like the warm gloss oil modified polyurethane because I think it enhances the color of the wood stain pretty nicely. The total cost of all of these items is approximately $43, but this could be even less for you if you already have some of it laying around. First, we need to set up in a place with good ventilation since we will be dealing with toxic fumes. I'll just place the tabletop on my sawhorses outside my garage. We will then apply a generous amount of stripper to the entire tabletop and let it work. After a few minutes, I try to scrape off some of the finish, but it seems to need another coat. The second coat does the trick. Using the putty knife, I scrape the gel off the surface to get rid of the old finish. The steel wool comes in next and does the majority of the work removing the stain, which is probably because it was able to reach inside the pores of the wood better than the putty knife. I will then clean up the surface with mineral spirits. This is an important step since the mineral spirits neutralizes the compounds in the paint stripper. I will now sand the surface to be sure we are down to the bare wood. This step is optional. Again, cleaning with mineral spirits to remove the dust. The new stain can be wiped on with a lint-free cloth and needs time to dry. I'll now put on some polyurethane to finish the tabletop. This will give it a glossy appearance and also protect it from scratches. I will apply 2 to 3 coats of this. After letting the finish dry for a few days, the tabletop is ready for use. Thanks for watching.